much. Today we're doing an oil change on the F-150 and decided to do a quick video on how to change the air filter on the 5.4 liter V8 in the F-150. This is the 3-valve. It's a 2010 F-150 Super Crew Cab, but most of these engines are the same. Believe 2009, 2008 is probably the same configuration, but it's really simple. First, we're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor here. You need to pop this tab out, and then you can squeeze, as you can see there, and it'll slide out. Let's move that to the side. We have a screw here, flathead, that we're going to loosen. And then we have some little pop-on clamps that you just need to just pop off and they pop back on. Really simple, as you can see. And then we want to separate these two like that. And then you're going to angle up and out. And you have the air filter right here. Now, it's always good to check these after each oil change, just to see how bad it is inside. As you can see, this one's pretty dirty right there. Not horrible, but pretty dirty. So we're going to change that out. We got ourselves the Motorcraft air filter. The part number is FA-1883. I'll put a link in my description below. I think I have an Amazon link, so it's an affiliate link. If you guys want to use that, awesome. But before we put that in, it's good to take a rag, wipe it out, clean out anything that might be in here, like an acorn. I might spray in here a little bit, just to make sure that everything is clean and not a lot of dirt's in there. And then we'll pop this in, pop the cover back on, and put it back together. Alright guys, so we blew it out as best we can. You could vacuum it out if you have like a garage vac. Clean out all in here, get all the dust and stuff out of there. And then you could take your new filter, you get it lined up properly. I might have it wrong. Make sure it seals properly and fits in properly, so it's all the edges are touching. And then we'll start putting the cover back on. So with the cover, like we said before, you got to go down on an angle, get these tabs in, push them in good, and then you can move this back. Make sure it seats right. This side needs to come over this way. There we go. And then we'll put these clips back on, just so you can see what I'm talking about. See these clips right here. We've got 3 of them, so make sure those are good. Make sure that the seal for the flange is good, where it reaches each other, where it touches each other. Just check all the way around. All of that looks great. Now we can put the clip back on here. Make sure that's in good, and the clip's pushed in, and then we'll tighten this up with our flat screwdriver. There you go, nice and tight. That's good. See, the arrows are, we actually have arrows, so you know that you put the tube on right. make it a little tighter. I think that's good. And that pretty much sums up how to replace the air filter on a 2010 F-150. This will definitely work on most 5.3 liter, well 5.4 liter 3-valve motors. And pretty much that wraps it up. If you liked the video, like, share, subscribe guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.